Welcome to the 3bestones.com. The following video is about the best fabric softener. Here are the top 3 fabric softeners that we have picked to make sure you don't waste your time wandering over the internet. At number 3. Method Fabric Softener. This fabric softener contains 53.5 ounces of liquid chemical which is made from plant-based softening power and leaves laundry scented and soft. It is suitable for both heat and standard washers and reduces static cling, which makes ironing easy and convenient. This environmental-friendly product is certified from Cruelty Free International that ensures that it is not applicable on animals, keeping wildlife safe and secure. It is specifically formulated to give softness and long-lasting freshness and is manufactured under odor-eliminating technology. Method Fabric Softener is 100% safe for all types of washing machines and makes a great companion with your favorite detergent. At number 2. Downy Ultra Liquid Laundry Fabric Softener. This fabric conditioner is a softener that protects clothes from stretching, fading and fuzz and provides 6 weeks of freshness. It softens the fabrics, leaving them comfortable and cozy for all-day wear and is used depending upon the loads in the machine. Each pack powerfully fights static cling, restores the fabric beauty and adds freshness while reducing static from clothes. It comes with a long-lasting pleasant scent that helps keep clothes smelling fresh and feel fluffy and soft for the next wear. This fabric softener is especially formulated to help keep colors bright and reduce fading so they always appear new after many years. At number 1. Bounce Fabric Softener. This fabric softener is hypoallergenic and completely free of any dyes or perfumes to make fabrics stay in their natural condition. This dermatologist-tested laundry softener is mild on skin and it helps reduce wrinkles on your clothes so you need less ironing for them. It has an ability to control static cling in fabrics and help repel lint and hair to keep fabric clean and neat. Each pack contains biodegradable cationic softeners and can conveniently soften the fabrics, increasing their life and durability. These chemical softeners are safe for all machine washables and should not be used on children's sleepwear or other garments. For more details, click on the link given in the description below, and thanks for watching our video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.